Hey guys,
Hello.
what's up? We are back again after almost a year.
Yeah. If you've forgotten us, this is Madhav, I'm Anjali, and we are
Couplet. Today we want to showcase Fall Guys.
Because we are playing it anyway, so why not do it on YouTube as well?
Right.
Yeah. Let's start with you.
Yes.
You can take it.
Let's play Fall Guys Ultimate Knockdown. Knockout? Okay, Knockdown was in Takeshi's Castle.
Probably.
Yeah. That's
Okay, your turn has started now.
Yes. Okay, go. Jump.
Okay, you're going to follow.
Yeah. Interesting. So of course it is Fall Guys, so you have to fall.
You can do it without falling also, but then what is the point?
Can I eat that hamburger?
That's a hot dog.
Oh,
And you're a vegetarian.
yeah.
If you remember watching Takeshi's Castle on Pogo, it used to
Pogo.
come on Pogo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This game is exactly that, but cuter.
Yeah, so basically there are around 60 people who are trying to go to the finish line, and you have to be among the first 20, 30, 10, and then ultimately there will be just one winner.
Come on.
And I am almost through.
नहीं उनके बीच में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, so you qualified.
Yes.
What do you think will be the next round?
I don't know, something easy maybe.
Gate crash.
Get Crash is easy, yeah. Wait, which is this one?
Dizzy Heights.
Dizzy Heights. I think this is all good, just towards the end it is tough.
Yeah, the final round. Neither of us have won right now. At least until now we haven't won.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll win soon.
And Jui.
And these are all actual players who are playing at the same time with you.
Exactly. So it's just exactly like Takeshi's Castle, but virtual.
Because we can't go out of home right now. वो पिंक वाला पीछे भाग रहा था.
करते कभी नहीं जा सकते.
They lose sense of direction sometimes. ना कभी you just spawn in some random place.
Oh no, see? This is the problem.
It's okay. I'll show you how it's done.
So when you actually play, it takes a lot of time for you to actually start playing because it waits for other players.
Yeah.
But in the US and Europe region, I think it's much more faster because the number
There
of
are a
players
lot
are.
of players. Yeah, because this game is not free as of now. The second it gets free, we won't be able to play anymore. The servers will get blocked.
Okay, you're stuck in between. न घर का न घाट का. You are a गली का कुत्ता. No. धोबी का गधा.
No.
What is it? What is that proverb?
I don't know and I don't care. Come on. The slime is the worst. But I qualified.
Good.
There were only 2 people there, so I was confused.
Okay. Yeah. So this gives you this moral value of life, no? कि if 100 people are doing wrong thing, doesn't necessarily mean that is right.
Because they're doing the wrong thing.
Yeah. You basically have to qualify for every round, and I think there are about 4 to 5 rounds, and in the end, there's only one winner. Just like Takeshi's Castle, and I'm sure you
No,
all.
but in Takeshi's Castle, nobody wins.
Yeah.
Here at least somebody wins.
That's another story. And I'm hoping you all have seen Takeshi's Castle, and if you have not, then I'm really sorry for you. And please go and watch some Takeshi's Castle, be it on YouTube or somewhere else. It's amazing. The only thing that this game is missing is
Javed Jaffrey's commentary.
Javed Jaffrey's commentary would have been amazing here. Oh, you have qualified the second round as well.
They should have Javed Jaffrey commentate on some best Fondays moments or something like that, no?
Yeah,
That will be fun.
yeah, actually. We should contact Javed Jaffrey if he wants to
Yeah,
do
right.
this. Okay, now how to get this game? This game is available for PC only right now. You can-
And PS4.
and PS4 also.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. So you can buy it from PS4 store or Steam. You're about to lose.
I won't lose. Some pro players in this round. Why do I feel like I'll be the first one to get eliminated?
No, generally the people towards the end know in this. Okay.
It was close.
Oh, you remember we saw one video where one guy he just went straight.
Yeah.
He just went straight and it was so lucky for him that
So
he
in
got
this round
through.
you don't know which are the fake tiles and which are the real ones.
Yeah.
So
You
this
have
is
to
what happens.
you have to do hit and trial.
And people will push you if you don't move further, just so that you're the one who falls and not them. अब नहीं हो पाएगा.
Yeah, it's the last.
No,
Oh, 5
I
out of
still have
7.
place. I still have time.
Oh god. You were the last one. So this is what happens in this
Yeah.
game. Real fun. You should try it out with your friends, family.
Okay,
wife,
this is the
girlfriend.
final round.
Yeah. We have reached, I think, sometimes we have reached very close, no, on this.
I have almost reached till there, and then one guy got it.
Oh.
The intention is to be the first person to reach that crown that they just showed, and if you do that, you win.
And then you fall.
Yeah, even the winners fall in this game. हॉट डॉग तो रो के चला गया.
Come on, we are close.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh.
That guy went already. So close. Okay, so this is the winner, and now see that he'll also fall. ज़्यादा खुश होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This is what happens to anybody who plays this game.
I think something that we enjoy more is watching
other people play. Yeah.
like this owl. And I think there's just
I don't know
one
what
more.
this guy is doing. Guy or girl or owl.
Yeah, so
He's diving for no reason.
he wants to fall. He just wants to make sure that the game's name is given its true meaning. Fall, come on, one more, come on.
Don't worry, don't worry.
He's just confused. Yes, now we're talking.
And that was the game. As you can see, I'm better than him.
1 round, 2 rounds.
I reached till the final round.
Yeah.
You got eliminated in the second round.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up
Comment below.
and download this game and play with us. Send us an invite.
And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.